July 7th, 2022. Got an update. Doing an update on the demolition of the YMCA. It's been a couple weeks since I've been down here. And as you can see, there's nothing left. Nothing left at all, and they are filling the holes. I just saw 2 trucks go in, dump a great big load, and come back out. So this will probably be a quick little update. See them filling the hole. They have all the debris out. There's no more machinery here. Oh, I guess there is a great big dirt leveler over there. Way over there. We'll get to it when we get around the other side. I don't know what they're going to do with all this, these electrical boxes here. I'm sure they'll have something to do with it. Take that out. They got the dirt coming in. Wow. First couple videos you couldn't even see Gaines Street from here. Now you can see corner to corner, street to street. See the Standard Hotel over there, or German, it's now the German Activity Center, Historical Center. This thing is been demolished. YMCA has been demolished. All the debris has been taken out, and they're now filling the hole, and they're going to level it off. Hopefully, before they do any constructions. I don't know what they're going to do, what the plans are for this, but a nice green area would be nice, I imagine. One quick trip around here. For the longest time they had the north wall and the east wall up here, and they did everything else except those. Last time I was here they were still up, but since then tore them down, took out all the debris. Now you can see all the way from 3rd and Western all the way to 2nd and Gaines to the bridge, Centennial Bridge. Couldn't see it before. You're getting the dirt. I don't know how many loads of dirt it's going to be. I just saw 2 loads come in as I was getting ready. Hopefully they'll keep all these trees for whatever project they're eventually going to have. Quite a few trees here. Doesn't look like it, but there's about a dozen trees here. Doesn't look like that many. About a dozen trees. I don't know what kind of trees they are. It's the only piece of equipment left. We use that to level off all the dirt. You know, all this green area here, untouched. Probably could use a little weed and feed, get rid of some of the weeds. I'm sure they have plans on making that pretty. Oh, here comes another load. You're gonna back it in and dump it out. I don't even know where they're getting the dirt. There he goes. Somebody will get into that cat. Is that a caterpillar? No, it's a Komatsu. There it goes, dumping. There he goes. Now this, I don't know if they're going to do the parking lot. Probably depends on future plans for the whole lot. Have to dig that up, pull that out, all that out, if they're going to make it a green area, which I hope they do. Oh, just a little aside here. They prettied this up pretty well. Hello. Good, sir. Yep. It's all gone. Well, that's the progress. I'll probably come down one more time when they're done filling it, just to see what it looks like. That's it for today.